And here we go. Hello, so today I am on La Leona Waterfall and Hike Tour, and I'm going to be going ziplining today. My name is Zahava and I am volunteering with La Leona Waterfall Hike, and this is one of the wonderful tour guides. What's your name?
Jeremy. Pura vida, pura vida, pura vida.
And this is someone who's helping us out too. And what's your name?
Alex.
And who are you?
Bernie.
So right now we're just going down the stairs. There's some stairs when you first start and you just have to make sure you're looking where you're going, but it's not too far down, and then you go up a little bit of a slope and then down again. So we get to the first place that we can see the river, and you can see today it's got quite it's lapping quite hard, but it'll feel so cool when we get in. So then we walk through the river, and it's a little bit deeper than it has been the other days, but it is definitely doable, and it feels so cool to be in. So once you cross over, you can already see, so there's an optical illusion because of the minerals, and you can see this almost glassy blue texture. It almost looks like there might be like some kind of crystal in there. It's really cool to look at, and as you get closer it becomes even more blue. So we've just walked through the river, and right now we're just walking on the path, and we're going up a little bit up, and you can see all of the roots in the ground, and I'll let you know where we go next. So now we have entered the water, and it's just about waist deep, and you can see how beautiful it is, how the rocks cover, and it almost looks like a cave, and you can see how clear the water is and how it gives off this blue hue, and it's honestly stunning. And right over there is where you swim through. You go over those rocks. It's where I am right now, and we're right now going to go through a little cave to get to the other side. Side. And here are some people who are going up. Gonna do now is we're actually going to be going zip lining, and I will show you the whole process. So you enter into the parking lot, and you take the car, and we're walking towards the way that we need to go to the zip line. So you enter, and they go and they set you up with something so that you can grip on your dominant hand, and then they put this belt on you so that you can link up to the, so they go and they link you up so that you can connect to the zip line. And we have some lovely people helping us. ¿Qué es tu nombre?
Ricardo.
Ricardo is helping put this on, and he makes it feel very comfortable. And this is Omar, and he helps put on the zipline equipment too. And he makes it very comfortable, and it makes you feel very safe in your equipment. And now we go. And here we go. So you can see we're going to be ziplining through the Colorado River, and we have Vladimir
Yes, ma'am.
helping us out today, and he's the best.
You think so?
Yeah. And you can see, if you look really closely, you can see the zip line right in the distance. And now I get to watch people come in.
¡Métalo al otro lado!
So this is the longest zip line. There are 8 on the whole entire tour, and you can see how beautiful the view is. And now I'm gonna go. To the what are we doing?